Okay, I'm going to open up Chilling Reign here. Newest product. See if I can get anything. Energy. Skull of Skies. Kirlia. Fog Crystal. Clobbopus. Mareep. Ralts. Castform. Snover. Welcome Lantern Reverse Hollow, and woo! Blaziken VMAX Full Art. Nice. Next pack. Energy. Karen's Conviction, Weedy Gloves, Porygon 2, Rookruff, Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, Snorunt, Reverse Hollow, and oh, got something here. Whoa, check that out. Very OC, Galarian Rapidash. It's hard to see there, sorry. Okay, next. Energy. Trezeal. Dynatree Hill. Justified Gloves. Cubfu. Inkay, Diglett, Scorbunny, Shuppet, Reverse Hollow Weedle, and a Spirit Tomb. Next. Focus, focus. There we go. Energy. Kakuna. Flannery. Rugged Helmet. Coughing. Galarian Yamask. Snorunt. Bounsweet. Cubfu. Slurpuff Reverse Hollow with a Zangoose. Okay. Let's go energy. It's not focusing here. Lucky Energy, Paragon 2, Reboot, Cubfu, Blitzle, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Weedle, Reverse Hollow Zangoose, and a Gordevoir Hollow. Okay.